If you want a better car, better service, and of course a better price, then you'd better go to Berger.
Berger Chevy knows you want more than just a car. You have a purpose for your vehicle. You will love this dark green 1998 Chevrolet Carat per Carat 1500 Series K1500 SIL, equipped with a V8 engine, and an automatic transmission with only 90,709 miles. Enjoy this utility truck with features like tilt steering wheel, cruise control, bed liner, power steering, power door locks, power windows, and much more. Get where you need to go, enjoy the drive, and have peace of mind in this 1998 Chevrolet Carat per Carat 1500 Series K1500 SIL. See us at Berger Chevy today.
Don't forget, it's always better at Berger. We're conveniently located at 28th Street in Breton, just 1 mile west of Woodland Mall.